So how to use auto clicker on your iPhone? Open your setting, and from here you need to go your accessibility. Now find the switch control, press on this option. Now you have to create a switch first. Go to switch, add new skin. Now press on skin, pull skin. Now select tap from here. Now go back. My switch is already created successfully. Now go back and select the recipe. You need to create a recipe now. Create new recipe, give a recipe name. Now assign a switch, press on full screen, and where you want to tap middle of screen, right of left screen, hold point on anything. Suppose I want to set as custom gesture. Now you have to tap and switch where you want to add actually. Click. So once done, you need to complete your tab by this time frame. Once done, press on save. Now go back, go back, go back, go back, go back this area, and bottom corner you can see the accessibility shortcut. Select this one. Now make sure your switch control is enabled. So now go back and enter reload any website. I am reloading this website. Now press and hold your power button 3 times. 1 2 3. Then you see the switch control option available here. Press on switch control. Now switch control invalid configure is tab. Now just click, then your page will be reload again and again with this method. So that's it. This is how you can easily set up it. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day. To stop it, just press the button 3 times. It's stop it again. Thank you.